In question number 8, it is given that distance between two inner parallel line is 60, okay, and track is 10 meter wide. So this thickness is 10 meter and these parallel lines are 106 meter long. So distance, we should find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Means see this we should find. Okay, this distance we should find along inner edge. This is inner distance. So for this, see this length plus length of semicircle plus this length plus length of semicircle, isn't it? So for length of semicircle we should know radius also. So radius will be what? See, this is 60, this is 60, so that is diameter is 60, so radius will be 30. Okay, so we can write radius is 30. So for the first part, distance along inner edge will be what? This length 106 plus this length. So this length is what? Circumference of semicircle. So that is pi into r plus this length, that is also 106 plus circumference of semicircle. Okay, so what we can write? 212 plus pi r is 2 pi r. And r is 30. So from 7 we can cancel this. 7 4s are, then 2 will remain, 7 2s are 14, 6 will remain, 7 8s are 4.28. Multiply. So we will get here 2 3 8 8 1 after 2-digit decimal. Okay, now we should add this. So 400.32 is the answer. Okay, now for the next part, what we should find? Area of the track. Means this outer area we should find. Okay, so what we can do? See, this is rectangle, this is also rectangle of same length and breadth. So 2 into area of rectangle, and here if you observe, outer semicircle minus inner semicircle. Okay, and here also see this length, this thickness is 10, so for outer semicircle radius will be 40. Here also 10, so for outer it is 40. So outer semicircle minus inner semicircle, 2 are there. Okay, that means outer circle minus inner circle, isn't it? So we can write area of track will be 2 times, since 2 triangles are there, so 2 times 106 into 10, isn't it? Length and breadth, L into B, plus outer area of outer circle, that is pi r square means 40 square minus area of inner circle, that is pi into 30 square. Okay, so this will be 212 and then multiply with 10. For this pi we can take common, 40 minus 30, 40 plus 30. So 22 by 7, 10 and 70. So 7 will go. So finally answer will be 4320 centimeter square. Meter square. All the units are in meter. This also will be in meter. Question number 9. AB and CD are two diameters perpendicular to each other. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OA is 7 centimeter. Okay. So see, OA is 7. So OC will be 7 and OD will be 7. So what we can do for this area, radius is 7 by 2. Since diameter is 7, radius will be 7 by 2. So area of this circle we can find easily. Area of this segment we can find easily. So we will double it to find area of other part. Okay. So now first area of circle. So pi r square, suppose r is 7 by 2, and for the bigger circle r is 7. Okay. So 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2, 7 will go. So this is 3.5, 38.5 centimeter square. Then area of sector. This sector we will find minus area of triangle. So theta is 90 since both are perpendicular. So theta by 360 into pi r square. This time capital R since radius is radius of the bigger circle. Okay, so 9 4s are 1, 7 will go 2. So this also will give, okay, 11 7 77 by 2 means 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, now area of triangle. So half into base into height, which is both same. So 49 by 2. So that will be 24.5. So area of one segment will be 38.5 minus 24.5, which will be 14 centimeter square. So area of two segment will be 14 into 2, that is 28. Okay, therefore area of shaded region will be 28 plus 38.5. So 66.5 centimeter square. In question number 10, area of equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle and area is given. Okay, so area of equilateral triangle we can write ABC. Area of triangle ABC. This is given as 17320.5. Okay. Then with each vertex circle is drawn. That is also given with radius equal to half the length of AB. Radius is what? Half the length of each side of the triangle. So what we will do from this given information area, we will find side. So R will be half of that. Okay. Then what we can do for this shaded region, we can subtract 3 sector area from the area of this triangle. Okay, so first of all, area of triangle ABC will be given by this formula. Let A be side of triangle and R be radius of circle. So root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, so A square will be by root 3. So root 3 is 1.73205, it's given. Now see, number is same, only the difference in decimal. So what we can do here, this after 5 we want. Okay, so we will shift after 5. So how many places we shifted? 4 places. So 4 zeros, that is from 10,000 we can multiply in numerator. Now we can cancel. So 40,000 is A square. So what will be A then? 200, isn't it? So we got A as 200. So what will be R? R is A by 2. It is given, half of the side. So 200 by 2 means 100 centimeter. So area of one sector given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi we should take 3.14. Theta is, since equilateral triangle, so theta is 60. So 60 by 360, 3.14, 100 into 100. So this will go 6 6 are, okay. Then from 6 we can cancel. 6 5s are 30, isn't it? Then 6 2s are 12, 0.52. And this decimal will shift. So 52 into 100, that is 5,200 centimeter square. Area of one sector. So area of 3 sectors will be 15,600 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region will be area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 sectors. That is given by 17320.5 minus 15600. Okay. So 0.5 will come, 0, 2, then from 13, 6 will go, so 7, from 6, 5 will go 1. Okay, so 1720.5 centimeter square. Question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular design, each of radius 7. So radius is 7. So diameter will be 14. So 14 plus 14 plus 14. 42 we can write side of the square. Okay. So let A be side of a square. That is 42 centimeter. Radius of circle are 7 centimeter. Okay. So find the remaining area. Remaining area of the handkerchief means this area we should find. So what we will do, from area of square we will subtract 9 times area of circle. Okay. So area of shaded region. Area of square minus 9 times area of circle. So A square minus 9 pi r square. So A square means 42 square, 9, 22 by 7, 7 into 7. So this will go Okay, 42 square will be 1764, and this 22 into 63 we can multiply. This will give 6, 8, 1386. So finally what we will get here, 8 will come, then 7 will come, 378 centimeter square. In quadrant of the circle, it is given in the question that quadrant of the circle, radius 3.5 and OD length is 2. So find the quadrant OACB. OACB. So quadrant is one of the sector where theta is 90 and radius is 3.5. So area of quadrant will be given by area of sector formula. Pi we can use 22 by 7. So 3.5, 3.5. Okay. So and 7 will go 7.5. So 22 into 0.5 is 11. 11, 3.5 divided by 4. So from 4 we can cancel. 4 8s are 32. 3 will remain. 4 7s are 28. 11 7s are 77. 11 8s are 88. And 7 means 95. So 9.57 centimeter square is the area of quadrant. Now shaded region we should find. So from this quadrant, if we subtract area of triangle, so for that area of triangle OBD is, it is quadrant means 90 degrees, so half into base into height. So answer will be 3.5 centimeter square. So area of shaded region will be area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD, that is 9.57 minus 3.5. Okay, that will give 6.07 centimeter square.